Hello, my name's Lissy from Stafford Land Rover, and today's 360 exterior and interior tour is on this Range Rover Sport 3 litre D300 Dynamic SE. Now, this vehicle is a diesel with an automatic transmission. It is ULEZ compliant and is finished in Eiger Grey metallic paint. To start off with then, you have your pixel LED headlights, which are brilliant for illuminating the road ahead of you, especially in those dark conditions. Along with this, you also have 22-inch 5-split spoke alloy wheels with a dark grey finish, really complementing against the Eiger Grey exterior colour. Along with keyless entry, which allows you to either lock or unlock the vehicle, even if the keys are in the bottom of your bag or perhaps even your pocket. Moving to the rear of the vehicle now, you can find your electric boot lid, and once open you can see that you have a substantial amount of room. You could easily fit in a large size suitcase or perhaps even a pushchair. Taking a look at the rear seats, you can find the light cloud and ebony leather upholstery. The rear seats do have ISOFIX fittings, ideal for small children's car seats. Moving to the front, you can find that lovely upholstery once again, providing you and your passengers with the utmost comfort for any journey that you may take. As well as this, the vehicle features a sliding panoramic sunroof, which is brilliant for allowing all the natural light possible into the cabin, giving it a nice light feel. On your multifunctional steering wheel, which is also heated, you have your hands-free options, volume controls, and of course your cruise control, ideal for those longer journeys. Taking a look at the dash, you can see this vehicle has done 16,150 miles, however this is subject to change due to test drives. On your infotainment system, you have everything you may need for any journey. Included with this is your navigation system, which allows you to plan any journey you may take in this vehicle, along with your DAB radio, which is all sorts of genres of music suited to everyone, so you can always find something to listen to. You also have your 4x4 information, your terrain response drive modes, adjustable ride height and weight sensing. All these individual features make the vehicle suited for most off-road terrain, with the off-road feature on the camera helping you furthermore. You also have the 360 view, which allows you to see almost every angle of the vehicle, making manoeuvring and reversing so much easier, especially in those difficult parking situations. Now, the front seats in this vehicle are both heated and ventilated, ideal for those hot summer days as well as those colder winter ones, ensuring that you always stay comfortable no matter what. And this is paired with a dual zone climate control, so you can individually adjust the temperature suited to either you or your passenger. This has been a presentation on a Range Rover Sport 3 litre D300 Dynamic SE that's now available to purchase from Stafford Land Rover. For more information, please contact our sales team.